Ever wonder how old your washer or dryer is? Here's a quick way to find out using ChatGPT. So first you want to find the manufacturing label on your washer or dryer. For washers, it's typically inside the door or on the back. For dryers, check the inside door frame or back panel or side panel. So next you want to look for the serial number and model number. The serial number usually contains the year and month of manufacture, but it may be too small to read. So you want to take a clear photo of the label using your phone, and you want to open ChatGPT on your phone or on your computer and type the following. Find the make and manufacturing year of this washer, or if it's dryer, based on the serial number, and then upload your photo. And boom, within seconds, ChatGPT will decode the serial number and tell you exactly when your washer or dryer was made. Try it out and drop a comment with your washer and dryer's age. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home maintenance tips.